Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect HubSpot to Zapier in 2024. So, of course, HubSpot is a powerful CRM tool and integrating it with Zapier can help automate tasks like lead management and follow-ups. So, let's just set up the connection between HubSpot and Zapier. So, make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. So once you open it, make sure to go to the URL section. Just type zapier.com and open a new tab and go to hubspots.com. Of course, if it's your first time on Zapier, you will be taken to this page here as an example. You can click on login at the top right corner to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up instead. Of course, you'll be able to use a Google, Facebook, or Microsoft account if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging in, and Google even to create your account. Of course, you'll also get a 14 days of trial of premium features and apps if you just created your account. So once you're logged in, you'll find yourself normally in Zapier here. For HubSpot, it's going to be the same. You'll have to click here on login to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't have one, click on get started for free. For me, I'll just go and click on login. And yeah, this is normally my accounts. So I'll just go here and sign in with Google and choose the same account. And as you can see, enter the code we email to your email. So I'll just go to my email provider, which is Gmail here in my case. And let's just wait for the code. Of course, you might not find it somewhere here. You can just go to spam or something like that, but it's sometimes can just take a little bit of time, maybe as example, I don't know, a minute. So be patient. As example, so we ask for a code when you login from an recognized device, regardless of your settings. Not seeing a code, click here to see our troubleshooting guide. And of course, you can always request another code. I'm not going to click on request another code because I'm waiting just a little bit. So yeah, it's not this one. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, not this one. So I just paused the video as an example for a moment to see I'm going to receive something. I did not receive anything. Even I requested another code. So in this case, like me, of course, you can always just go and click on these steps and follow these steps right here. And so you can receive, as an example, your code. So if you didn't, again, of course, you can always just go and contact the supports and they will definitely try to help you out. So once, of course, all of that just to connect to a HubSpot account. So basically just go and connect to your account right away, and then you should be good to go. So afterwards, you'll need to go, as we said, to Zapier, to your Zapier account. Go then to this list panel. Just go and click on this apps. And of course, as we said, we would like to connect to HubSpot account. So here, just go to search apps, and there, type HubSpots as example. So HubSpot, and as you can see, we'll find ourselves in here. So all we need to do, just go and click on connect. As you can see, for me, I already have a connection, but it's fine. So here, connecting the Zapier account to HubSpot. So either you have to go and create an account or sign into your account. It's up to you. So as an example here, just go and click on sign into an account. Let's see if they're gonna send us an account. Of course, you can always see this troubleshoot guide, which is the same guide. Let me just go and check for last time. I'm going to click again, of course, on this option again and request another code. If I did not receive any like code, okay, I'm just gonna, it's even like connected to Gmail. Like here is it. I don't know why it's not connected. Let me just go and click on login. So email address, of course, enter. Yeah, so it's this one. Remember me, click on next example and sign in to Google. I don't know why it's not being connected. It's not getting connected for some reason. I'm not receiving the code. But anyway, because I already like have the connection established, so I'm not going to, maybe they have a bug or something like that at the moment. So I'm not going to worry about it too much because as I said before, I already have a connection established. So if I go and click on here, as you can see, I already like connected this before, like 11 months ago. So basically, all we need to do for you is just go and click on connect. And once you click on connect in here, you will have to sign in into your account or even create a new account if you don't have an account. Of course, as you can see, you can also create an account using Google. So as you can see, it's already like, it seems like you have an account on this. Anyway, once you connect it, as an example, you just have to sign in, as we said, or create an account and allow the connections. Of course, you'll have to allow everything Zapier asking for. And yeah, this should be afterwards good to go. So now, once your HubSpot is connected to Zapier, it's up to you because HubSpot, of course, is powerful, as we said, CRM tool. So if you integrate it or if you connect it to Zapier, now you can connect it with any other app here in Zapier. So if we go to this left panel as an example, and if we go and click here on create, then Zaps. So you'll find, of course, this AI tool and you'll find this trigger and actions. Here, you can start automating stuff together. You can do it by your own. It's very easy to learn. But if you're new and you're, I don't know, like getting, you're still not sure or something like that, you can simply use this AI tool, the Copilot basically here, which will help you out. So, as an example, you can just type here, connect like HubSpot with, I don't know, Slack maybe. Let's just go and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you will be taken in here. So here you'll have just wait for Copilot to do everything. As you can see, it will create everything. So just go and click on add all steps or add all zaps. And all you need to do, just any problem that's not, that's occurring, you'll have to fix it or edit it, as an example, or configure it. For example, test the trigger afterwards. You'll find a check button if everything is good. If something is like not working or something like that, you will not find this check button. So for Slack, an example, depending on whatever action you choose here, you'll have to add configurations. As an example, you can also add or change other settings, click on continue, test the step. If you find two check buttons, of course, you can publish it and start like, I don't know, starts working with this automation. So I just did something randomly here, so I'll just not going to use it, of course. And yeah, that's how you connect HubSpot with Zapier and start using it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.